Hello everybody, Strengthen again here. So guys, today's topic is all about the technical analysis of nasdaQ. Technical analysis of nasdaQ. How do you analyze nasdaQ technically if you're a technical trader? So I have these two topics. The other one will come tomorrow. I will talk about how to trade nasdaQ fundamentally. Today we're talking about how to trade nasdaQ technically, how to technically analyze nasdaQ. So I've categorized my video in this case. I'm going to talk about how to analyze on a bigger time frame. I'm going to talk about how to analyze on a smaller time frame. I'm going to talk about risk management. Under risk management, we have lot sizing, number of trades, stop loss, risk reward ratio, take profit. Those are the things that we want to cover today. These, I believe, as a trader, as a professional trader, that you guys out there, you can master nasdaQ using these things. So before we head into that, feel free to follow me on Instagram. There is my handle at the top there. As you can see, there is my handle at the top there. Strengthen SA. There is my handle. Feel free to follow me. I post every day about all the market analysis. As you can see, I post about a lot of things. So you can just follow my Instagram handle there, and then we chat. You can talk to me anytime. As you know, I'm a very friendly guy. I look at people equally, so I can talk to you at any point. Any question you have about anything, I can talk to you about it. Now, also feel free to go through my videos here on YouTube. I post every day, almost every day. In fact, I post almost every day. You can see the number of my videos here. So many, you can just go through all of them and learn as much as you can. I've got different kinds of videos up here. Now let's go back into the topic of the day. Let me just open my account there. As you can see my screen there, I already have my chart open. It's live chart. As you can see, it's open here. It's running red and blue there. Red and blue there. As you can see, I also have the robot up there. As you can see, I have the robot. If you don't know what a robot is, it's a software that trades for you. Well, ours is semi-automatic, meaning there is a little bit a part that you need to do by yourself. But anyways, it trades for you. So when we're not here to talk about that, we're here to analyze the nasdaQ, right? We have the nasdaQ chart open there on the broker that is called the Veracity Markets. Well, I don't recommend any broker to you guys. You do your own research and you choose your own broker. Now, let's do the first thing. I told you guys in the previous videos that the first thing that you should be doing is to open a bigger time frame. When you open a bigger time frame, I told you to always choose 4-hour chart. Always choose 4-hour chart. Now, you can just zoom out just to see the clear picture of everything. Now you can zoom in. You can zoom out just to see the clear picture. Now, you use the trend lines now. I would suggest that you connect the highest points with the lowest points and the lowest points with the highest point. Look at what I mean. I zoom in a little bit, right? When I zoom in a little bit, I can see that the market dropped from here to this point, right? It dropped from here to this point. Now I want to connect the highest point here, this one, with the second lowest point, which is this one, right? Now I put my line there, connecting this point and this point. Let me just mark them. I'm not in a hurry, guys, because I want you to get the information properly. I'm connecting that point and I'm connecting also this point. As you can see, these two points, they are very crucial. These are the points we need to keep an eye on, right? All the time, you keep an eye on those two points, right? Now we are looking for a point where there was a break over. This is a point where there was a break over. As you can see, our trend line is there. Our trend line is there. Now there was a break here. The market broke our trend line. It went above our trend line. It came back to retest. It retested for many times. Now we see double rejection here, and these double rejection are beyond our trend line. They are not this side, they are that side. So it's a clear confirmation that we are expecting a rise. We are expecting what? A rise. We are expecting a rise in that case. Now let's mark our double rejections there. With some they call it a double bottom, some they call it a W. It's fine. Anything. You can call it anything. Let's change the color into something else. Guys, I will give you the real deal. You know me, you know me, you know me. I give you the real information. I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything. I've got nothing to hide. I give you the real information as it is. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Guys, Forex trading is the best thing that you can do with your life. You can quit everything and focus on Forex trading. Well, do not quit after you've seen that you are now a consistent trader. But before that, you just need to focus on you need to balance on the 2 or 3. But after that, after you've made some money, you can now focus on Forex trading. Now there we go, 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 there we go. Now we want to see what is happening on the upper side. As you can see, the trend line that I've already inserted here, it's already confirming a buy. It's already confirming a buy. Guys, I did mention to you that you remember the past video I posted last week. I said to you it was already at the point here, right? I told you that you must wait for a drop. Now this is the drop I was talking about. Guys, come on, guys. Tell me you got in here. Tell me you got in here. Tell me you got in here. Come on, guys. You need to have gotten in there, because this is what I was teaching you about. This is the real deal, guys. This is where the money is. This is where you could have gotten in here. This is where you could have gotten in here. Go to my Instagram. Go to my Instagram and check what I did to NASDAQ. Go to my Instagram and check what I did to NASDAQ. Here are my recent uploads. I grew an account from $29 to $400. Can you check that? $29 to $400. Here's the account. Here's the history. Here's the history here. Here's the history from $29 to $400. Just trading NASDAQ. Just trading NASDAQ. Guys, I'm not creating stories here. Here's the proof. Here's the proof. I killed NASDAQ using using the same thing. I bought. These are all buys. These are all buys. I bought here. I bought here. This is where I bought. I bought here. This is where I bought, guys. I made some money. It grew with it. It grew with it. I made some money here. So I hope you guys have gotten in there. This is the business I'm always teaching you guys. So make some money, guys, and be focused. Be focused. Okay, guys. Now let's continue about the analysis. You put the trend lines there. You put the trend lines there. Now, after putting the trend lines there, you need to mark all your important areas, right? Mark all your important areas. What are important areas? Every time the market touches the line. So this is where the market touches the line. This is where the market touches the line. You insert your what? You insert your markers, yeah? Right? You insert your markers, right? I don't know whether I should change the color, but we'll see. It's fine. Even if it's yellow, it's fine. This is the touch. This is the touch. Guys, come on, guys. How are you losing? How are you losing, guys? How are you even losing? This guys, come on, guys. Come on, guys. The confidence I'm installing in you, use it to your advantage, guys. Use it to your advantage, guys. Come on. All right, now this is where you could have gotten in. This is where you could have gotten in. You could have bought when it dropped here. I remember Trump announced some news here. It broke down. Now it went up to what? To more than even 100% of the drop. This was the drop. It went up, guys. It went up. This is another drop. This is another drop. There was certain news during the week. Now this is where it started rising. Yesterday it started rising here. It's going up, guys. Come on, guys. How are you losing? How are you losing? Now from here, when it touches here, you are expecting to what? You are expecting to buy with it. You are going up. When they rise like this, you wait for them to come and reject the line. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Ha! You've guessed it right. You buy. You buy. This is where you buy. You continue going up. I hope you can see the screen properly, guys. Come on, guys. How are you losing? How are you losing? Now let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. So it so happens that maybe the market breaks the line, right? Maybe the market breaks the, let me just remove these lines. Let me just remove these lines so that I want you to understand that I'm not skeptical. I'm looking at both sides here. I'm looking at both sides. I'm not skeptical, but I know that Nasdaq, guys, it's a buy trend. Let's say maybe they reject twice here, right? Let's say maybe they reject twice. Let's not be skeptical. Let's look at both sides, right? Maybe they want to sell. We don't know. So this is where there is a rejection. They push up to this point. They push up to this point. Then they pull down. They pull down. It happens. It happens. It happened before. It can happen again, right? Now let's check that. That's enough. They push back and they break. Now what happens when they break? It's an opportunity to sell, but you must count your levels. 1, 2, 3, you are out. Let me explain what do I mean by that. Now you go all in here. You wait for them to reject on the upper side. What do you do? What do you do? They fall down. This is where you take your sell. This is where you take a sell. Now remember, let me show something. Let me show something. You must now start putting your trend line like this. Do you see what I mean? You put a trend line like that. So every time they come and retest, you do what? It's a little bit of coronavirus there. Now it continues going down. You see, it's a rejection. Now what happens when maybe they come and break the line? It's a good sign. It's a good sign. You start putting your marker. You put your marker where? You put your marker here. You put your marker. Oh, come on, guys. Come on. How are you not learning? How are you not learning? You know that when they come here, they will reject here. When they reject there, what's going on? What's going on? We're expecting what? A rise. Come on, guys. How are you not learning here? How are you learning? Guys, this is the best information that you can ever get from anyone. This is the best of the best. Now, guys, remember, to get this kind of information, you need to just follow me where? On Instagram, because this is why I trade and post the results. You get motivated, you get to see most of the things that I do every day. So this is why I post my daily my daily activities. My handle is up there. It's up there. You can also find it. I will put it down here. I will put it down here. I will put it down here so that you can get my handle there, or down there. I will put it down there so that you can get my handle to my Instagram, so you guys can get the information. It's all about you guys. It's all about you. Us, we've made it. Now we want you guys to make it as well. Go and master the forex trading market, guys. It's simple. Let me tell you, guys, the power of succeeding, it's inside you. You have the key to unlock your doors to your financial freedom. All you need is your right mindset. That's all you need. You need the right mindset. Let me tell you something. I've got good news for you. I will be the one that will install the right mindset in you. I will do it. I'm not even ashamed or afraid to say it. I will do it. I will install the right mindset to you. It doesn't matter whether it means I have to teach you for free or on Instagram. I mean on YouTube and Instagram, whatever. I don't care. I can teach you for free. I don't care. I will teach you for free. You will get the information. Even if it means I have to give you that robot for free for you to learn, I don't care. I just make sure that I give you the real information. But anyways, for you to get the real information, guys, you just need to subscribe to my channel. Stay subscribed to my channel and be a regular, so that you get notifications every time I post a video. Don't forget to click that bell button on the next to the subscribe button. Now, guys, remember, for you to trade Nasdaq, you don't only need the technical analysis, you also need risk management, as I said. Now, I've got my book here where I will be teaching you how to properly do your risk management. Let me just quickly get into it. I won't even take 2 to 3 minutes. Now, listen to this very carefully. Risk management, it contains lot sizing. Guys, when it comes to lot sizing, it all starts from where? From the understanding of your broker, you'll find that your broker is very, very volatile in NASDAQ. Like my broker, 0.01 of NASDAQ in my broker is very, very dangerous, very, very profitable and risky. So you need to know your broker, that this broker, it allows you to trade 0.01 or 1 lot, or their minimum is 1 lot, or their minimum is 0.10 or 0.01. It's up to your broker. So you need to know your broker and the profitability of their what minimum lot size. So let's say your account is at 1,000 US dollars, right, or 1,000 rand. You know that I'm placing 2 trades of 0.01. 2 trades of 0.01. Now the stop loss, guys, when it comes to the stop loss, you can place a stop loss at a point like this. Look at this. I took my buy here. Then I come at the below this point where I marked yellow. I go below the point and I put my stop loss because I know that the market won't reach here. So I put my stop loss here to be safe. Same thing applies here. I took my buy here when it dropped. I took my buy here. Now this yellow area, I put my stop loss below the yellow area. So I know that there is no way the market can reach that point. Simple. Now, risk-reward ratio. Risk-reward ratio in NASDAQ, it doesn't matter. You can't determine risk-reward ratio because NASDAQ is very volatile. It can give you 50 pips today. It can give you 100 pips tomorrow. It can give you 200 pips the day after tomorrow. So it's up to the market. All you need to do is to define its momentum. Let me tell you what I mean by momentum. You can see from here, if we buy here, the momentum is very strong. You can see it, even the candlesticks are too big. They are too big. But when it starts to get here, you can see that they are starting to get weak. Now this is where you close your trades. That is the losing of what? Momentum. The trade is losing momentum. There, up there. It is losing what? Momentum. But as you can see here it was what? On a high momentum. Even here, it was on a high momentum. Even here, it was on a high momentum. So you see, so here it's losing momentum. Here it's losing momentum, as you can see, because it's rejecting many points here. So it's losing momentum. It's time for reversal. As you can see, it has reversed here. It has reversed here. This was a reversal. So it shows that from the losing of momentum, we're expecting a reversal. Now here, we know that this reversal was not gonna last long, because now we know that this trade is a what? It's a buy trade. Since we have what? We have our trend line being not broken. It's not broken. This thing has not happened. This procedure has not happened. That's why we know that this is a strong buy. It's a strong buy. By the way, NASDAQ, these are companies, they're always fighting to succeed. So there's no way they can go all sell. No, there is no way they can go all sell. They can't go down. They need to succeed. Whenever a company experiences some problems, they always strengthen their management. They always fire people, get new qualified people, do stuff like that, for them to go on the upper side of the economy. So that's what they do, guys. Now, the last thing is about take profit. Guys, remember, when you do your take profit, it's all about understanding what? The lose of momentum. When the market loses momentum, that's where you put it. Myself, I don't put take profit generally. I just close based on being comfortable with the profits, or based on the market losing momentum. I close my profits based on that. I don't look at points where I predict that, oh no, the market will reach here, so I will put my take profit there. What if the market never reached there? What if it never reaches that point? So I don't believe much in take profits like that. I just take profit whenever I see comfortability in my profits running. So I just close my trades. I'm comfortable with 10,000. I'm comfortable with 20,000. So I close my trades. So that's how I approach the market. I don't use the lines of take profit, the dotted lines of take profit. No, I don't use those things. They are good if you understand how to use them. They are good. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate your presence in this channel. Let me just speak about this again. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much every day. Guys, this information is the real deal. Get in touch with me and learn from my channel. Stay subscribed, stay being a follower, and you will see that the information I share is just magnificent. Cheers. Take care, guys. Love you. Take care. Cheers.